Congratulations on making the decision to become a founding member of Botanic during their pre-launch phase. There is some great opportunity here, especially coming in as an affiliate during their pre-launch time. So the first thing you want to do is once you click on your person's link, now if you are doing this via mobile, it's going to look a little bit different than my desktop view, but most importantly, you want to go and make sure that the person who referred you and sent you the link, that their information is here, and just confirm with them. They may have their picture up, they may not, but just make sure that their name and information is there for you to take a look at and confirm. And then you're going to go to activate your account. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to start with a position worth building. So because you're coming in during the pre-launch, they have no starter packs required, but we still need to add your affiliate starter pack, which you will see right here at $0. So you're going to go ahead and add that to your cart to activate your affiliate status. It's going to bring you to your next page of your cart, and you're going to scroll down and you're just going to confirm everything. So you have make sure that you did select your affiliate starter pack at quantity 1, $0. So as a pre-launch affiliate, you are just coming in at that $19.99 a month. And then you're going to see right directly under that, that is going to be your Botanic membership. So you'll see quantity 1 at the $19.99 a month. You're going to go ahead and scroll down. And one great thing here is at your reoccurring total at the very bottom here, it's going to tell you your monthly, which is going to be the $19.99, and your first renewal date. So make sure you put that on your calendar. And right under there, you're going to see proceed to checkout. Now, the next step, I'm not going to be able to go the full way as far as putting in my personal information, credit card stuff to get you to the next page, obviously for personal reasons. But this process, super simple. Then you're just going to go to checkout, put in all of your billing details. This is where you're going to go ahead and create your username for your replicated site. So it could be your first and last name, if you're running through a business, anything like that. Create your password for login, and then just go ahead and confirm to make sure you have that affiliate starter pack and the membership in here, and you will be good to go. Scroll down. You're going to go to your credit card information, enter all of that information in. You need to then go ahead and check this little box right here for the terms and conditions, privacy policy, all of that. You can go ahead and take a look at those yourself as well. And right down here in the corner, under that paragraph, you're going to see subscribe now. You're going to click that, and that is what is going to get you in, and you are now a founding member of Botanic. So I hope this helped you, and congratulations.